Hey there, I'm making this quick video. If you got insignia, a refrigerator, and is not cooling, like what are the things you can actually try to do? Because I was researching this stuff. So the first thing is going to be really simple, that you just want to completely turn it off and like unplug it, wait for 10-15 minutes, even just turn it off the circuit breaker for the fridge, and then just turn it back in. This is like the first tip. The second thing is that you just want to check if it's possible. You want to check uh, the condenser coils. Then also you want to check the evaporator fan. So this is another thing that you want to check if there is like issue with it, or if there's like going to be blocked by ice or debris. And then you want to also inspect the condenser fan. So this is another thing that you can possibly try to check if there is some it's running, right? So I just want to locate the multiple things that you can possibly fix, and maybe it's going to actually help to fix it for you. Maybe not, I don't know. But this is something that you can actually check. I hope it was at least a little bit of useful. If it wasn't, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to always find the solutions. And have a great day and goodbye.